Today, the Mito is having its first proper modification. Today, the Mito is getting a brand new stereo system. Before carrying on, I would just like to clarify something. I'm not making the change because I think that the standard stereo system is shit. I'm making the change because I have one of these. A radio transmitter, which, as we already know, makes the quality of the music not that good. Yeah, it makes Katy Perry sound absolutely shocking. I also want to get a really cool touchscreen as well as Apple CarPlay. So, first things first, we're going to disconnect the battery so that I don't end up like this guy. So there we go, the battery is now disconnected. Using this set of release keys I bought from Halfords, I'm going to remove the main unit. I thought this was going to be the easy part of the job, but in fact it was way harder than it looks. After 2 hours of hard work, I've finally got the old radio out. Just to make sure you guys don't make the same mistake I did, make sure you push these all the way in as far as they can go, and then push them away from each other. Eventually you'll hear a click and the unit will start to wiggle out. Yes! Yes, the radio is out! As good as that was, now came the hard part. The Blue and Me module. Should have been a really simple process. Put your release keys in and push them away just like the radio. But no, not when Ellis does it. As you can probably tell, I'd been there a while, so I was very glad when this finally happened. It was now time to remove the rest of the cage. Come on, come out. And there we go. The cage is now removed. Now that the cage is out, we need to put the Blue and Me module back in. So to stop the module from interfering with the new cage, I've stuck it down here to the left. That'll be secured in using 3M tape. So I'm now at a point where everything that needs to be taken out of the car is now out. So let's show you what it is that I've actually bought. A Mito fascia kit, the new radio, as well as some wire harnesses. Don't worry though, I will link everything that I've bought in the bio below, so make sure to check it out. So the next thing that needs to go in is this. This came in the fascia kit that I bought. Slides straight in and then bolts on using the same areas the previous cage did as well. Here is when we then had the other issue. The bolts from the original cage didn't fit the plastic frame because of the permanent washer on them. That's when I bought these. A packet of dial 4.8 x L 19mm screws. So, now that this plate is in place, it's time to fit the cage. So, just to make you guys aware, this cage came with the fascia kit, but you will also get given a cage with the radio that you buy. The reason I fitted the one from the fascia kit is because it slid very easily into the black bracket that we've already put on. This one does not fit it at all. So, yeah. I have already checked, the radio does slide in, so the radio does fit it. You will be okay. But yeah, just use the one from the fascia kit. Don't bother using the one that came from the radio. Using a screwdriver, I've just bent down these two tabs here and then the two at the top as well, just to secure the cage in place. The next step is to put in the wire harness. These are two wire harnesses that are from Connect 2. You can order them through them, but I ordered everything through Halfords. Big up Halfords. Within the big pack, which is this one here, you're going to get this thing and one of these. And then within the smaller pack, these. Now I'm going to go and do some lining up because I'm going to be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. So the main Connect 2 wire harness plugs directly into the car. You may need set ties to secure it. You then attach the Connect 2 steering wheel control unit and the patch lead goes into the other side. This plugs directly into the stereo. The end of the harness then plugs into the stereo's harness, and like me, you may need to cut and crimp a couple wires together. So now I'm going to show you how my stereo plugs in, but remember your unit may be different. Well then, here it is, the Mito's brand new stereo system. I just want to say thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or any help, feel free to comment them below and I will help you out. I'll see you guys in the next one.